Class 11th, Subject Physics, 11th chapter, Current through conductors, that is electric current through conductors. Electric current through conductors. From this chapter, let us see numericals from exercise. Numericals from exercise, and therefore let us see some of the numericals from exercise. Numerical number 6 is given as the resistors 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm are connected in parallel combination. Then we have to find out the equivalent resistance of parallel combination, and when this parallel combination is connected to 9 volt supply, by neglecting internal resistance, we have to calculate the current through each resistance, and therefore for this numerical the given data is R1 is equal to 1 kilo ohm, that will be written as 1 into 10 raised to 3 or simply 10 raised to 3 ohm. R2 is equal to 2 kilo ohm, that will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to 3 ohm. Then phi is equal to 9 volt, battery supply is given. Then we have to find the equivalent resistance of parallel combination Rp equal to question mark. Then currents I1 and I2 through R1 and R2 resistances we will have to find out. Now let us see first one, that is equivalent resistance of parallel combination. Equivalent resistance of parallel combination of two resistances is given by the formula 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, which will be written as R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2, this is the value of 1 upon Rp, and therefore Rp will be written as R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Putting the values, we will get 10 raised to 3 into 2 into 10 raised to 3 divided by, this will be 1 into 10 raised to 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to 3. Solving this, we will get 2 into 10 raised to 6 product of these two, and then it is 1 into 10 raised to 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to 3, that will be 3 into 10 raised to 3, which comes out to be 0.6666 into 10 raised to 3, and therefore we can write Rp is equal to 0.6666 kilo ohm. Now the current I1 through R1 will be given as phi by R1, that will be equal to 9 upon 10 raised to 3, which comes out to be 9 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Then second current I2 flowing through R2 will be phi by R2, that will be equal to 9 upon 2 into 10 raised to 3, which comes out to be 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Then let us go for numerical number 7, which is given as a silver wire has a resistance of 4.2 ohm at 27 degrees Celsius and resistance 5.4 ohm at 100 degrees Celsius. Determine the temperature coefficient of resistance, and therefore for this numerical given data is R1 equal to 4.2 ohm, R2 is equal to 5.4 ohm, T1 is equal to 27 degrees Celsius, T2 is equal to 100 degrees Celsius, and we have to find out temperature coefficient of resistance, that is alpha. So for this we know the relation for final resistance at temperature T when initial temperature T0 equal to 0 degrees Celsius temperature. Now that formula is given as final resistance RT will be equal to initial resistance R0 into 1 plus alpha T. So this resistance will be at temperature T, this resistance will be at temperature 0 degrees Celsius, and therefore RT will be equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T for T0 equal to 0 degrees Celsius. With the help of this equation, we can write equations for R1 and R2 for final resistances as R1 is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T1 and R2 will be equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T2. Taking ratio of these two, we will get R2 by R1 equal to 1 plus alpha T2 upon 1 plus alpha T1 because R0 will get cancelled. Taking ratio. Taking cross multiplication, we will write R2 plus R2 alpha T1 must be equal to R1 plus R1 alpha T2. Therefore, R2 minus R1 will be equal to R1 alpha T2 minus R2 alpha T1. That will be equal to, taking alpha common, alpha into R1 T2 minus R2 T1. Therefore, from this alpha will be equal to R2 minus R1 upon R1 T2 minus R2 T1. Putting the values, we will get 5.4 minus 4.2 upon 4.2 into 100 minus 5.4 into 27. And therefore, alpha will be equal to 1.2 divided by 420 minus 145.8, which comes out to be 1.2 upon 274.2. Taking ratio of these two, we will get 4.376 into 10 raised to minus 3, 4.376 into 10 raised to minus 3 per degree Celsius. That will be the required value of temperature coefficient of resistance. Then let us go for numerical number 8, which is stated as a 6 meter long wire has diameter 0.5 mm. Its resistance is 50 ohm. Find the resistivity and conductivity. And therefore, for this numerical given data is R equal to 50 ohm, L is equal to 6 meter, diameter D is equal to 0.5 mm. As D is equal to 0.5 mm, therefore R will be equal to 0.25 mm. Radius will be 0.25 mm, which will be written as 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter, and then we will have to find out resistivity rho and conductivity sigma. Resistivity rho and conductivity sigma. So let us see first resistivity. For resistivity of the material, formula is rho equal to RA upon L. Rho is equal to RA upon L, but A will be equal to pi R square, and therefore we can write R into pi R square upon L. R into pi R square upon L, and therefore rho will be equal to 50 into 3.142, 50 into 3.142 into 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 square divided by 6. And therefore, calculating this, we will get rho is equal to 50 into 3.142 into 6.25 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 6, which comes out to be 1.636 into 10 raised to minus 6. 1.636 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. This will be the required resistivity. Now let us see the conductivity of material. Sigma is equal to reciprocal of resistivity will be the conductivity, and therefore sigma is equal to 1 by rho. That will be equal to 1 upon 1.636 into 10 raised to minus 6. And therefore conductivity sigma will be equal to 6.112 into 10 raised to 5 per ohm meter. 6.112 into 10 raised to 5 per ohm meter or ohm meter inverse. So this will be the required conductivity. Now let us go for numerical number 9, which is given as find the value of resistances for the following color code. So some of the color codes are given here, and we have to find out the values of resistances for it. The first is blue, green, red and gold. So 4 colors are given here. blue, green, red and gold. From this we know the procedure. First color will represent the first digit in the value of resistance. Second color represents second value, that is second digit in the value of resistance. First color represents first digit, second color represents second digit in the value of resistance. Third color represents multiplier in the form of powers of 10, and this fourth color if present, then it will represent the tolerance, that is variation in the value of resistance. And therefore for this blue corresponding digit is 6, for green it is 5, for red it is multiplied 10 raised to 2, and for gold variation is plus minus 5%. Therefore for this color R will be equal to 65 into 10 raised to 2 plus minus 5%, which will be written as 6.5 into 10 raised to 3 ohm plus minus 5%, or R will be equal to 6.5 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. So this will be the required value for first color code. Then let us consider second, that is for brown, black, red, silver. Brown, black, red, silver. The corresponding values are: for brown it is 1, for black it is 0, for red it is 10 raised to 2, for silver plus minus 10%. And therefore we can write R is equal to 10 into 10 raised to 2, 10 into 10 raised to 2 plus minus 10%. Therefore R will be equal to 10 raised to 3 ohm plus minus 10%. That is R will be equal to 1 kilo ohm plus minus 10%. Then we will go for next, that is third color code is given: red, orange, gold. Red, orange, gold. The corresponding digits are: for red it is 2, for orange multiplier will be 10 raised to 3, for gold tolerance is plus minus 5%, and therefore R will be written as 22 into 10 raised to 3 plus minus 5%. Therefore R will be equal to 22 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. So this will be the required value. Then fourth color code is given as orange, white, red, gold. Orange, white, red, gold. Their corresponding digits are: for orange it is 3, for white it is 9, multiplied for red is 10 raised to 2, and for gold tolerance is plus minus 5%. And therefore we can write here R is equal to 39 into 10 raised to 2 plus minus 5%. That is R is equal to 3.9 into 10 raised to 3 ohm plus minus 5%, which will be written as R equal to 3.9 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. So this will be the required value for this color code. And then fifth one is yellow, violet, brown, silver. Yellow, violet, brown, silver. For yellow digit is 4, for violet digit is 7, for brown multiplier is 10 raised to 1, for silver tolerance is plus minus 10%, and therefore R will be written as 47 into 10 raised to 1 plus minus 10%. That will be written as R is equal to 470 ohm plus minus 10%. 47 will be multiplied by 10, that is 470 ohm plus minus 10%. This will be the required value for this color code.